classes subset. Already I said subset. It is denoted by symbol. This symbol is called subset. What is the definition of the subset? Every element of A is also in B. Then this is called subset. Every element of A is also every element of B. Then this is called subset. Then this is called subset. Okay, ma. Some important points, ma. Indulo first one, the number of subsets. The number of subsets of set is 2 power n. For example 1, set A is equal to 1 comma 2. They have given set A is equal to 1 comma 2. They have find the number of subsets of given set. Number of subsets. Number of subsets is 2 power n. 2 power n. Number of elements in given A. You are observed n equal to 1. The number of subsets of set is 2 power n. So n is denoted by number of elements in given set. So is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. Okay. Set A. A is equal to set of 1, 2. How to write the subsets? Here subsets are they have given set have 2 elements, but here right only 4 subsets. First two, empty set. After you have right singleton set, set 1, set 2. After you have take 2 element sets, 2 element set. You are observed. You are count them 1, 2, 3, 4. They have used set have 2 elements. Then here coming 4 subsets. You are observed. Pi is null set. This is pi is subset of every set. And next set of 1 comma 1. Ready? They have given. I mean itself is subset. Okay, ma. Are you understand, ma? Set A. A is equal to 1 comma 2. We are asking in examination number of subsets in subset. You have write the given set, write the number of subsets. For example, another example now. Let B is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. Ledu 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then find the number of subsets of B. Number of subsets of B is 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means you have multiplying by 2 5 times. 2 is multiplying by 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16, 16 2 jar 32. Most very important point, I mean number of here given example and write the number of subsets. Number of subsets means 2 power n. N is number of elements in given set. So 2 power 4. Here coming 4 subsets. Another example, B is equal to B set have 5 elements. Write the number of subsets 2 power 5. Then this is 2 power 5 is equal to 32. 2 power 5 is equal to 32. Okay, ma. Next. Power set. Next, power. set. It is denoted by n of p of a, denoted by power set. It is denoted power set is p of a. Power set. Power set is p of a. Okay, now. So power set means the set of all subsets in a given set. The set of all subsets in a given set. For example, set A తీసుకున్నాను P, Q, R. Set A have P, Q, R. Then find the number of power set. How to n of P of A is equal to 2 power n. 2 power n. Power set definition. What is the definition of the power set? The set of all subsets in a given set. Then this is called power set. But I am giving example. Here write the number of power sets of the given set. Number of power set. Number of power set of A is equal to is n of P of A. N of P of A is equal to 2 power n. 2 power n. N means number of elements in given set A. How many elements in there? P, Q, R. So 2 power 3. Here 2 power 3 means 8. Number of power set of set A is 8. Another example, you have to take set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. They have find number of power set. It is denoted by n of P of A equal to 2 power n. 2 power n, where n is number of elements. How many elements in there? 4. So 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16. So number of power set is 16. Okay, ma'am. Most very important point. Next, sets properties. First one, union. Union of two sets. Union of two sets. It is denoted by A union B. It is denoted by A union B. The set of all elements. The set of all elements which belongs to either A or B or both. The set of all elements which belongs to either A or B or both. For example, set A is equal to 1, 2. Set B is equal to 3, 4. You have find A union B. A union B means set of 1, 2 union set of 3, 4. I mean the set of all elements which belongs to either A or B or both. So union means you have to take all elements in single set of 1, 2, 3, 4. A union B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Here repeated terms you have to take one time. Another example. A is equal to set of 1, 2. B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. A union B. Here is set of 1, 2 union set of 2, 3, 4, 5. You are observed here repeated terms. Those two sets you have to take one time. Set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is called union. What is the definition of the union? The set of all elements which belongs to either A or B or both. Then this is called union. Okay, ma. Union set ki set builder form. Roster form, that is set builder form. Union of two sets ki set builder form. Set builder form. Set builder form. For example, X belongs to A union B. X belongs to A union B. Anama, so X belongs to A or X belongs to B. A union B is equal to such that X belongs to A union B. Okay, ma'am. Then X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Observe, X belongs to A union B. I mean, X belongs to A or X belongs to B. A union B set builder form nana X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Then this is called union of two sets. Okay, ma'am. Union of two sets. Next. Next. Intersection. Another one, second one, nana. Intersection. Intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. It is denoted by A intersection B. Intersection of sets. It is denoted by A intersection B. The set of all elements belongs to both A and B. The set of all elements belongs to both A and B. Okay, Nana. Intersection means and Nana. Or set builder form. X belongs to A intersection B implies X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Intersection of two sets means the set of all two elements A and both A and B. The set of all elements which belongs to both A and B, Nana. Set builder form. X belongs to A intersection B implies X belongs to A and X belongs to B. I mean, A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. X belongs to A, X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay, ma'am. Example, for example, intersection. What is the meaning of the intersection? You have to take common elements, Nana. Example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Set B is equal to 2, 3, 4. Okay, ma. A intersection B. Set A. Set of 1, 2, 3 intersection. Set to B. 2, 3, 4. You have to take common elements, set of 2, 3. Intersection means you have to take common elements. Intersection means you have to take common elements, Nana. Okay, then this is called intersection. Then this is called intersection. Next, second one, difference of two sets. Difference of sets. difference. It is denoted by A minus B. Difference. It is denoted by A minus B. Difference means A minus B. Okay, ma? Okay. Chundi, the set of all elements belongs to A and does not belongs to B. X belongs to A minus B is equal to X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. The set of all elements belongs to A and does not belongs to B. Then the set is called difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. Okay, now here A minus B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Then this is called difference of two sets. Okay, ma, X difference of two sets means the set of all elements which belongs to A does not belongs to B. Okay, here set builder form means A minus B is equal to set of X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. For example, తీసుకుందాం A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equal to 3, 4. Okay, A minus B. Okay, set of 1, 2, 3, 4 minus set of 3, 4. We first cancelled by common elements and remaining you have to take remaining first set. A minus B means we first remove the common elements in both the two sets. After you have to take remaining first set. Then this is called set of 1, 2. Already said. What I said, ma? X belongs to A. Each and every element lies in A, but not B. You have to take all set of all elements belongs to A, which belongs to A, does not B. And then you have to take remaining set A. Then this is called difference of sets. Difference of sets. Okay. Next, Nana. Complementary angle. Complementary angle ముందు universal set గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. Universal set. What is the definition of the universal set? Emma. All the sets under consideration will be a subsets of a fixed set. Okay, ma. All the subsets under consideration will be subsets of a fixed sets. I mean universal. Do you know universal? ఆల్రెడీ ఫిజిక్స్ లో మీకు వచ్చే ఉంటుంది. యూనివర్సల్ అంటే ఏంటి? విశ్వం. ఇక్కడ యూనివర్సల్ అంటే యు హ్యావ్ టేక్ యూనియన్ సెట్స్, ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ సెట్స్, డిఫరెంట్ సెట్స్, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ లైస్ ఇన్ యూనివర్సల్ సెట్. It is denoted by mu or mu. Okay, na? లేదా omega antam. Mu or omega. Okay, then this is called universal set. Universal set means all the sets under consideration will be a subsets of a fixed set. Then this is called universal set. Okay, ma. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేవాడు కాంప్లిమెంటరీ సెట్స్. కాంప్లిమెంటరీ sets. Okay, ma. Complementary sets. It is denoted by A dash ORR A complement. Complementary sets. It is denoted by A dash ORR A complement. Okay, Nana. A complement equal to mu minus A. Mu minus A. I mean the set of all elements which belongs to universal set but does not belongs to A. Then this is called complementary set. What is the definition of the complementary? The set of all elements which belongs to universal set does not belongs to A. Then this is called complementary set. Okay, Nana. ఇప్పుడు next design sets. Second one, design sets. Disjoint sets. Disjoint sets, Nana. What is the definition of the design sets? Here, you have take two sets A and B. Then A intersection B is equal to pi ma. You have take two sets have they have no common elements. Then this is called design sets. You are observed A and B. A are empty set or B are empty set. Those A and B are also empty set. Then this is called design sets. A empty, they have no common elements, so pi. B empty, they have no common elements. A and B, they have no common elements. Then here coming pi. Design set means here I am taking two sets A and B, they have no common elements. Then this is called design sets. Then this is called design sets. Okay, Nana. Next. Okay. ఇందులో వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ నాన్న వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఇక్కడ దే హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ టూ సెట్స్ కేనమ్మా. ఓకేనా? హూ ఈజ్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్డ్ బై వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్స్? హూ ఈజ్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్డ్ మా? John Van Euler. John Van Euler. Who is introduced by Venn diagrams, Nana? John Van Euler. Okay. Here sets are denoted by circles. We first have take the biggest set. This is a rectangle shape. It is denoted by mu. Sets are denoted by circles. Okay, ma. A, B. You are observed. This part is called, two circles intersect part is called A intersection B. Okay, Nana? Only E shaded part aithe only A. E part anko ma, E shaded part anko only B. Okay. లేదు సెట్ ఏ అంటే included A intersection B. Set B అంటే included A intersection B. Nana. Venn diagrams. Who is introduced by Venn diagrams, ma? John Van Euler. Why are you here introduced the Venn diagrams? Here word problems. They have simplified the word problems by using Venn diagrams and easily process. Okay. అంటే ఏం లేదన్న మనకు వర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తాడు, వాటిని సింపుల్ గా వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేయొచ్చు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ A union B. How to draw Venn diagram? Very simple thing, Nana. This is mu. You have take two sets A and B. Here shaded those two sets. Next, E intersection BM. You have take two sets Okay, ఇది mu. Intersection means two sets intersect for, two cycle intersect for. This is called A intersection B. Next, A minus B now. Different sets. You have to take two sets sum. Okay, now this is set A, set B. Okay, ma? A minus B means shaded only A. Only A. Next, B minus A. B minus A Venn diagram nana. You have to take two sets. You have to take two sets sum. A, B. You have to draw the only B. Next, disjoint sets nana. You have to take does not intersect. A, B. Then this is called disjoint sets. Okay, ma'am. You are observed A union B. Draw the Venn diagram. A intersection B. This is A minus B. This is B minus A. This is A intersection B is equal to pi. Okay, ma'am. Right. Are you understand, ma'am? నెక్స్ట్ ఈ డయాగ్రామ్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని సమ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి నాన్న. ఓకేనా?
Gopalrav sir, sorry to interrupt you. Sir, 9 o'clock అయింది. We'll continue tomorrow.